Welcome to Family Vlogs, and today I have a very brand new video on how to link PayPal account to Mpesa. Welcome to this channel, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the red button written subscribe and turn on notification bell for more videos to come. There are basic requirements that you must have before you open a PayPal account and Mpesa, and how to link Mpesa to PayPal account. First of all, you must have a registered Safaricom line with Mpesa. Secondly, you must have a valid email address. I had made a video of how to open a PayPal account and how to open email account. Click the links that are provided below to know all more about how to open PayPal account and how to open Gmail account. Of course, you will need an internet that of high speed. I've provided a tutorial on how to open PayPal account and eventually link it to Mpesa. Kindly watch this tutorial and follow it step by step with all the requirements I've provided in that tutorial, so that your Mpesa and PayPal can be linked. If you have not subscribed to this channel, hit this red button written subscribe and turn on notification bell for more videos to come that I will post. In your web browser, you Google PayPal, and it will redirect you to very many websites concerning about PayPal, but we are busy with one website called www.paypal.com. You are going to click it so that it can redirect you to a PayPal website so that you are able to sign up. You are able to sign up. Now click sign up, click sign up, click sign up. Now that you clicked sign up, let the web decides on what to do, and of course you are going to redirect it to click either business account or personal account. Because this is your personal PayPal, just click personal account. Input your valid email address that you will be able to confirm when you have already registered. So click and input your valid address. Of course, input your first name and last name as they appear in your ID, because remember, at the long run we will be linking Mpesa with PayPal account. We will be linking Mpesa and PayPal account. Of course, you will create your password and confirm it. You will create a password and confirm it and click next. Click next. In this new tab, you are expected to input various items, beginning with your country. That will just come automatically. Make sure you input your national identity card, that is ID card. Input your national identity card, and of course you will proceed and input your city, town, village, your state or your province. Do not forget also your valid postal address, your valid postal address. Date of birth is key. Make sure you put as required by the tab, and your personal number will be needed in this tab, that is your phone number. Make sure you input your phone number. Make sure you input your phone number. Remember, at the long run we are going to link Mpesa with PayPal. Address is very, very important. Let's not forget it. Input your address. Address is very, very important. Then after that, you will be able to stay logged and click confirm to agree with the terms and condition of PayPal. We are in now in PayPal, and we can shop and send payments with PayPal. Now our account has been created very, very well without a problem. Now when you are in PayPal, you must link your card. You can either link now or link later. It is very important for further shopping and for further receiving or sending money. Of course, somebody can send you money without a link PayPal account, but it's better because that's how PayPal identify people. Now, as you can see, now we are in the graphics of PayPal. You can see the icon, link card, confirm your email, confirm your mobile for security purposes, and you can see our PayPal balance is now at $0.00. You can see now we are able to send payment if at all we had some money in our PayPal. On the top you can see send, request, contacts and others. So it means that we are good to go with our PayPal, and the balance is shown there very, very nice and very, very well. Now let's link Mpesa to PayPal. Now through your Google browser, type Mpesa to PayPal and select linking Mpesa to PayPal. Link my Mpesa to PayPal, and it will redirect us to a website that is very, very important. Very, very important. That is www.paypalmobilemoney.com. You click it and it will redirect you to now welcoming to PayPal mobile money service with Mpesa. Yes, so there's a video on YouTube that you can either watch, but we are not busy with that. Just click get started and it will open a new tab that's going to help us to link our Mpesa with PayPal. Now there is a welcoming message that has popped in. Just click agree, just click agree, just click agree and wait for the website to open. Now first, there is an important thing that we should do before we continue. We need to confirm our email address first before we do anything. Mpesa will not link to PayPal unless you confirm your email address. Now let's go straight to our email and extract that email, and we confirm the address. Now you need to confirm your email, so click confirm your email. After clicking this, now we confirm by click send email, and check your inbox for the email. We have opened our email account and now we are verifying that email has been sent by PayPal. We need to click it and open it and confirm my email address by clicking it. Now enter your password and confirm your email address so that we can proceed with the linking of email, PayPal address and email account. Now that they are verified to us that now we are in the PayPal account, we have confirmed our email and the linking of the card we'll do later. Remember also that PayPal need to verify your phone number by sending you a code. You can either do it or do it later. Let's click not now, and now we are all set in PayPal. Now we can link Mpesa with PayPal. Now that they have shown us the PayPal account, we need to click here in confirming the email address so that we can be able to be linked to PayPal via Mpesa. Now we are almost there. You see there is an icon of Mpesa that is visible, and we are expected to input our phone number, the valid phone number that we used to register, and then you click link account. You should start with 7 but not 0. So you click link account, and then there's a confirmation code. That is the final step. That code will be sent to your personal phone number that you used to register your email address and PayPal account. Now if you have the code, make sure that that line you use is on, so that Mpesa, so that PayPal can send the verification. Now we are done. PayPal and Mpesa has been linked. Welcome to PayPal mobile money service with Mpesa. Now we are able to withdraw cash, and as you can see, we still don't have money, but we can just try to put some thousands US dollars, and then you click withdraw. So because we don't have any money, we are not able to withdraw. Let's see how we can top up PayPal account. Now we have Mpesa paybill number, that is 800088. That one is what you use to top up your Mpesa. Now let's see, if you want to top up $100, how much are you going to use in Kenyan shillings? That is 11,156. So with the paybill number of 8088, and you want $1,000 to be $100 to be in your account, you top up 11,156. Let's try something like $20. So with $20, you are able to top up 2,236, and $200 will be visible in your PayPal account. Let's say amount that is low, like $1. So $1, you will be able to send 112 through Mpesa paybill that is provided, that is 800088. So we are set, and we are able to withdraw and deposit money in our Mpesa. So our PayPal is set. So whenever we have money in an Mpesa, we can top up our PayPal, or if we have money in our PayPal account.